Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily pin a video on your TikTok profile. It's very easy and can be done just in few steps, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it. But before that, if you haven't downloaded this application yet, make sure to do it first because TikTok is a fun social media application that allows you to create and share videos with millions of other users of this application. And you can also watch thousands and thousands of videos from hundreds of creators within the single application. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can pin the video that you have created on your TikTok profile. So let's get started. First of all, open TikTok on your phone and then open your profile. You can open your profile by clicking on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Click there and open your profile. So you will see all the videos that you have created so far. There, open the video that you want to pin. So pinning the video on your profile makes it visible for a very long time. Even though you create a lot of other videos after pinning a particular video, it will always be visible at the very top of your profile to the viewers of your profile. So to pin the video, you need to click on those three little dots which is located at the right side of your screen. Click there and there at the bottom row you will see the options to pin this video. Click on pin option. And there you go, you have now successfully pinned the video at the top of your profile. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video was helpful, and if you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more updates.